I've been gone for so long, it's an empty world up here. I skip stones and wonder how long till I'm discovered it's a quiet